It's been more than a year since I started my YouTube channel. These are the lessons and the things that I have learned in this time. Number one, you don't need to learn everything about Spanish, and you don't need to learn 10 different ways of saying the same thing. You need one or two very good phrases or expressions or words in order to say the same thing over and over again. Something very interesting happened recently. One of my former students, she speaks amazing Spanish. So much so that whenever she travels throughout Latin America, people think that she's Colombian because her accent is really good. I asked her how many ways she could use to say the phrase I am full. She could only think of one word, estoy llena or estoy lleno. You could also say estoy satisfecho, and it's good, it's common, but estoy lleno is the most common one. This is something that I've been trying to do in this YouTube channel. Little by little, I've been creating a synthesis. The most important words, phrases, verbs, nouns, and adjectives. It's been a process, but this is my plan. By December 2026, I want to have 100 long videos about the most important topics any Spanish students need for you guys to practice, to study, and to get better and to learn Spanish. The second thing I have learned, most Spanish students are addicted to slow Spanish. That's why they cannot understand real Spanish. When native Spanish speakers speak, they don't speak slowly. They connect words, letters, and sounds. And this make it sound very fast. So, if you train your ear to listen to slow Spanish because it feels good, because you can understand the teacher or the person, you're going to crash with a wall when real Spanish speakers speak to you.